Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Shopify brand videos section with branded thumbnails, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up the brand videos section on your Shopify store, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section from the left sidebar. Select themes to access your currently published theme. Click on the Customize button to open the theme editor. Within the theme editor, look for the Sections tab on the left side of the screen. Scroll down to locate the section where you want to add your brand videos. If there isn't an existing video section, click on Add Section and choose Video. Once the video section is added, you'll see options to customize it. Here, you can add a title for your video section to capture visitor interest. Next, locate the area to upload your video. Shopify supports various video formats, so ensure your video file is compatible. Once you upload your video, proceed to add a branded thumbnail. For the best results, create a thumbnail that reflects your brand's style and message. Upload the thumbnail by clicking the designated image area. Adjust the positioning and size as needed to fit your design. After uploading, review how your thumbnail appears alongside the video. Your changes will be automatically saved, but it's good practice to click Save at the top right. To preview the changes, click the eye icon to view your store as a visitor would. Finally, ensure the video section looks cohesive with the rest of your branding. If everything looks good, you're ready to share your updated store with customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.